Hi friends, I'm Sajitnya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to test the PUBG graphics and default settings in the Realme Narzo R30 Pro device. So right now I'm using the Realme Q2 device, so which is the exactly same model going to launch in India with the Realme Narzo R30 Pro smartphone, as you can see. So this is the exact same variant which has already got launched on the name of the Realme Q2. So right now I do have the Realme Q2 only. So I just thought of informing you before starting the video only, so you'll keep in mind as well. As you can see, but both phones, they're having the exact same specifications and everything is going to be same. So the phone, by the time I'm making this video, the phone did not get launched in India, and a lot of users are really curious to know how will be the PUBG game and what are the things about this phone as well. So I thought of doing a videos on this particular variant right now. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment below what are the different testings you want me to do. So this is one of the most requested question, that what will be the default PUBG graphics settings you can actually play in this phone, so without using any GFX tool. So no GFX tool used in this kind of testings. So let's see friends, what will be the default thing. So first thing is that we need to know the phone will be having the Dimensity 800U processor. So it's a kind of nowadays we are seeing the Dimensity processors entering into the mid-range segment mobile phones. So this is a Dimensity 800U. It's not the new one, but it's already found in the Realme X7 smartphone, so which is going to be also coming in the upcoming Redmi Note 10 series, I think so. So let's see friends, what will be the Dimensity 800U will be capable of PUBG graphics settings. And before that, let me even show you the display refresh rate what I'm using. So right now I'm selected the 120Hz. So we do know the Realme Narzo 30 Pro gonna come with the 120Hz. As you can see, 120Hz I was selected successfully. So let me try to quickly open the PUBG game, and let's see friends, what will be the default settings. Even I am very curious to see. Even I'll be going through the couple of gameplay as well and showing you the exact maximum FPS, how much it's achievable. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of this smartphone. You can find so many videos which I'll be uploading on this particular variant very soon. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on this particular model. So right now you'll be getting this kind of message saying apply the HD version. So I'll be applying the HD version right now. So I selected the HD version, and let's see friends, what will be the settings. So right now it's downloading. As you can see, it's not a big size, it's only 164 MB. It won't take much time. So meanwhile I can talk about the display. So I'm using this phone for past I think 1 to 2 months. So as I said, this is a Realme Q2 device. So most I think 100% this will be the same of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So this is the same kind use case in the previous Narzo 20 as well. So where the those phones got already launched in China and they got replicated in India as well. So same thing is going to happen in this Realme Narzo 30 Pro series as well. So make sure to subscribe and check this recently uploaded video on this display properties of this phone. So you'll get to know more details about this Narzo smartphone in terms of the display thing. So here the game is getting started, and let's see friends, what will be the real-time FPS meter. So one thing is that right now it's showing a 0 FPS. I'm not sure whether this FPS is at the moment is working or not. So let's test that. So even we'll get to know, because this is a situation which has happened previously in the Realme phones where the FPS meter used to always show 0. So there is another problem used to happen, and but it got fixed with the update. So let's see friends, what will happen right now. So let me quickly select right now. So final friends, here is a PUBG game which I open, as you can see. So let me try to quickly show you what is the graphics settings, and here is the graphics settings without using any kind of GFX tool. You can see clearly. So you can get the smooth and ultra settings only. So there is no smooth and extreme settings with the Dimensity 800U processor. So this is another drawback right now friends. I'm not sure when we'll be seeing the phones with the mid-range segments smooth and extreme graphics settings. So I'm not sure. Without using any kind of GFX tool at the moment, you won't be able to play the smooth and extreme settings, but still the processor is really powerful enough to play the smooth and extreme. But we just need to get an update, I think so. Hopefully maybe in the future it might get fixed, but it's not guaranteed, because for the past I think few years it's not guaranteed for the mid-range segment mobile phones most of the time. So only HD is possible. There is no HDR, and there is no nothing. Ultra HD is also not possible. So only smooth, balanced and HD, 3 settings you do get here, as you can see. And the smooth, low, medium, high and ultra, balanced, low, medium, high and ultra, HD, low, medium and high, as you can see, friends. So let's select the smooth and ultra, so which is a normal basic settings which most of the users they will try to play. So smooth and ultra is selected, and let me try to quickly show you the real-time FPS. So real-time FPS, I think it's not working right now, but I think with the recent update, sometimes, as I said, the FPS meter will get screwed. It doesn't work properly sometimes in these Realme phones. So same thing is happening right now, it's not working. But overall, in the smooth and ultra settings, I used to get, I think, close to maybe 45 FPS. So not much with the smooth and ultra settings right now. So one thing I can pretty clear, I can see the difference is having the 180 Hz touch sampling rate. So which is another crucial thing while playing this kind of games, shooting games most of the time. And the phone has a, I think, only single bottom facing speaker. Yep. So there's only single bottom facing speaker is present here. So that's another disadvantage. So let's see, friends, what will be the price of this phone. So that is what the things will get really interesting for most of the users, because the phone doesn't have the dual stereo speaker setup. And if it is a Realme Q2 exact same China variant, then the phone will be coming with a 30-watt fast charger as well. So all these things, I am not sure what it's happening. So let's see what will be the fast charging in this phone. And the battery is 5000 mAh of capacity, so maybe they might decided to use the 5000 mAh of battery capacity and decrease the fast charging. So I think so. In the previous model with the Narzo 20 Pro, we did see the fast charging of 65-watt fast charging, and they decreased the battery capacity. So maybe right now they decided to increase the battery capacity and decrease the fast charging rate. Let's see, friends, once the phone get launched, we'll get to know more details about this phone. But right now, the rumors are that the Realme Q2 is the exact variant of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro only. So depending on the design and all the features, so it makes sense to compare. But only this is the area where I'm a bit confused. So fast charging only area, because previous version I got 65 and now 30 watts. I'm not sure it's possible or not. So let's see, friends, what will happen. So that's why I did not do, I think, a charging test, but I'll try to do the charging test as well. So if this is the case, you will get to know. So if 5000 mAh of battery and using the 30-watt fast charging, how much time it actually takes. And right now I am playing this game, and as you can see, there is no lag, nothing delay. So everything seems to be pretty fine in this phone right now. So apart from having the single speaker setup, so the game space, I think it's need to be an update. So let's see, friends, once I get the update, I might be able to show you the real-time FPS meter. But before I did play the game, PUBG game in this phone, I did remember that getting the FPS count of about 45 FPS in this phone. So if you want to get the 60 FPS, you need to definitely use the I think a GFX tool. So that's another must thing you need to use in this phone. So 188 touch sampling rate is quite advantage in this phone. You can immediately feel the difference while using this phone and other phones. So if you have the dual speaker setup, you'll be able to see easily. You'll be able to listen the sound coming from the left and right. So which makes sense a lot of using the phone while playing this kind of dual stereo speaker setup. But if you're having the one speaker, it's kind of difficult, I would say, to guess the sound from which direction it's coming. So right now the real-time FPS as well we won't be able to see because of the update problem, I think. So let's see friends, in the next update the Realme should be able to fix that kind of issue. But overall it seems to be working fine, the PUBG game, so without any kind of issues, so no lag while playing, so everything feels to be good so far. So thank you for watching this video friends, and for more videos make sure to subscribe to my channel iQOO, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details as well. So next upcoming videos I'll try to record using the screen recording as well to test the heating and how much it's happening here. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.